How to attract money even you broke. Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I know you are here because you are facing a tough situation. You are broke and you have many debts. You are feeling hopeless, helpless, and frustrated. You are wondering how you will ever pay off your debts and have enough money to live a comfortable and enjoyable life. You are not alone. Millions of people around the world are struggling with money problems and their negative effects on their happiness and well-being. Money problems can cause a lot of stress, anxiety, depression, and anger. They can make you feel insecure, inadequate, and unworthy. They can make you lose your motivation, your passion, and your joy. They can make you feel like you are trapped and powerless. But I'm here to tell you that you can change your situation. You can attract money even when you are broke. You can attract money even when you have many debts. You can attract money even when you feel like you have nothing to offer. You can attract money and create the life you want. How can you do that? How can you attract money when you are broke? Here are some tips and strategies that can help you attract money and abundance into your life. First, change your mindset and attitude. Your mindset and attitude are the most powerful tools you have to attract money. If you think and feel like you are broke, you will attract more lack and scarcity into your life. If you think and feel like you are abundant, you will attract more wealth and prosperity into your life. So, start by changing your thoughts and feelings about money. Stop focusing on what you don't have and start appreciating what you do have. Stop complaining about your debts and start being grateful for your income. Stop worrying about your future and start trusting in your potential. Change your mindset and attitude from scarcity to abundance, and you will change your reality. Second, use the law of attraction and affirmations. The law of attraction is the universal principle that states that you attract what you focus on. Whatever you think, feel, and believe, you will manifest in your life. So, if you want to attract money, you have to focus on money in a positive and empowering way. One of the best ways to do that is to use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to program your subconscious mind and align your vibration with what you want. For example, you can say to yourself, "I am a money magnet. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I have more than enough money to pay off my debts and live my dreams." Repeat these affirmations daily, with conviction and emotion, and you will attract money into your life. Third, take action and create value. The law of attraction is not enough by itself. You also have to take action and create value. You have to do something to earn and receive money. You have to offer something of value to the world. You have to use your skills, talents, and passions to solve problems, help others, and make a difference. You have to be proactive, creative, and resourceful. You have to look for opportunities and seize them. You have to work hard, smart, and consistently. You have to take action and create value, and money will follow. Fourth, be open and receptive. You have to be open and receptive to receive money and abundance. You have to believe that you deserve money and that money is good. You have to let go of any limiting beliefs, fears, or doubts that block your money flow. You have to clear any negative emotions, such as guilt, shame, or resentment, that prevent you from enjoying money. You have to be open and receptive to receive money from various sources and in various ways. You have to be open and receptive to receive money in abundance, and you will receive them. 5th, give and share. You have to give and share to attract money and abundance. You have to practice generosity and kindness. You have to give and share your time, energy, knowledge, and money with others.